Welcome to our tutorial on how to mark multiple groups as unread on WhatsApp Web on PC with the new update. To get started, open web.whatsapp.com on your computer's browser. Once the page is loaded, click on the three dots in the top left corner and select Chats from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll through your list of chats and choose the groups that you want to mark as unread. You can select multiple groups by holding down the capital key and clicking on each group. After selecting the groups, click on the three dots again and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Mark as Unread to mark all the selected groups as unread. And that's it. You have now successfully marked multiple groups as unread on WhatsApp Web. This feature is handy for keeping track of important messages and conversations that you want to revisit later. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Happy chatting!